tractor and equipment collection, because 2 months ago I didn't have any Alzheimer's, anything, and now I seem to have quite a pile of it. So what's up, guys? We're out here in the shop again for part 4 of the tractor rim repair. Hopefully you've watched the previous 3 videos that show fixing these rims up and getting paint on everything you see here. So basically we're just going to reassemble the parts and pieces, get new tires put on the rims, and get the rims mounted on the tractor. We got to get calcium in them, and so on and so forth. So let's get going on it. So basically with these, we just have the hardware here, and we just need to reassemble these, get grease on them, and get them put back together so that we can get them bolted onto the rims. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is basically get one of these wheel centers mounted up inside the rim. So we're going to mount the stop blocks. Basically, you see the holes there. We're going to use these 2 holes here because we want the rim to rest at this point here for the spacing I'm going to want for it. So we got to put the stop blocks in and basically get the first block mounted to the wheel center, set it in there, and then get everything adjusted and fit properly from there.
Alright, so we got one rim completely assembled here. This is the one that we repaired. So it looks like our repair is good because it didn't blow apart when we tightened up the cam bolts. And as you just saw, that took quite a bit of force, even with grease and everything in there. So anyways, next step is to get a tire mounted on this, get an inner tube in it, and get it thrown on the tractor.
Alright, so I'm just going to explain a little bit. This is my brother. Say hi, John.
What's up?
We're gonna, this here is like commercial tire mounting lube stuff. It's actually like a wax base, so this will not allow any rust. We're gonna paint this whole rim with that on the inside. All the black is gonna get painted with that. That will help the bead on the tire seat, as well as make sure that the tube doesn't stick to the rim or have any unnecessary friction or anything going on the rim area. So we're going to go ahead and put that on, get the tire mounted, get the tube installed, and so on. Alright guys, so you saw we had a little snafu there. It wasn't a big deal. I had to basically move the rim center down into the hoop a little further. I forgot that's where we had it before. There was an interference issue between the machine and the rim. So we got that moved down. I'm going to go ahead and remount it and try this again.
What do you want?
Pliers. Anything.
Okay. I'm not confused.
Yeah, maybe like that. What do you think?
Ha, down.
You pinched it.
That hurt.
It's not funny, Johnny.
Tired. I knew something was coming.
All right, that went pretty smooth. She's up on the bead. We got about 20 psi in there. All things considered, that went really well. So we're gonna get this rolled over and get it bolted up to the tractor.
goes ka-chunk.
Yep. It actually skins this tire in and out.
Yep.
You hold the opposite brake so that the track doesn't move. And forgot that one still had all the water in it. Alright guys, we got the tires and the rims mounted up. I am super stoked with how it turned out. Check it out. Of course we got the seat mounted on there. I'm just really happy with how this looks. Did get the other tire done off camera. Showed putting it on, but not getting it mounted up. So anyways, I'm just super stoked with this. It just completely changes the tractor. It looks like something that wants to be used now. Just getting those tires done. Need to do the front tires. They're pretty bad off. They're also the wrong size. They're a little bit too small, but anyways, it makes it look so much better just with those rears being done. So it's so good. I think I could just sit in a lawn chair and just look at it. Okay, enough of that nonsense. The next phase of this project is going to be to get the calcium put in the tires. That's what this pallet is back here. We got the drums of calcium. Basically, what I'm going to do is lay the drum on the pallet on its side and then lift it up and gravity fill the tires. What I'm going to do is use a vacuum pump and to suck all the air out of the tube, and so that will basically take all the air completely out of the tube so that everything that goes back in is fluid, so that when the pressure equalizes in the tire, it will be 100% fluid. And then if we need to add a little bit of air on top of that, if they're a little squishy, then we will. But this way we're going to get as much fluid as possible in the tire with as little air as possible. So we can go ahead and get going on that. Alright, so just kind of to go over what we're doing here. We got vent right here, so the tank can vent. We got hose coming out here. Goes that clear vinyl line.
and then we've got it stuck on the valve stem there. You heard us pulling a vacuum, so basically I pulled enough of a vacuum to completely collapse the tube in there, so there's no air left in the tube, and then we're basically replacing all that space with the calcium solution. So basically what we're going to do is just keep an eye on the level of this calcium. If it gets low enough, we will go ahead and pinch off the hose, lower it down, add some more to it, because we do have more. I don't think we're going to get that full 30 gallons in this tire, but if we do, we've got another 15 there, we've got some over in this barrel here, and this tire, as you saw just a couple minutes ago, still has calcium in it that we can harvest out of there. So okay guys, we're getting pretty low in this tank. We're almost even with where the hose is going in. I don't want to introduce any air into the tire, so we pinched it off. We're going to go ahead and put some more fluid, transfer some more fluid into this tank, and keep going. Quite honestly, I'm surprised and pleased that it's taken that much fluid so far. So the system seems to be working really well. It's taking quite a bit of time, but you know, that's okay because there's other things I can do while I'm waiting for this to fill. So. All right, we got the other side finished. We're working on this side now. About halfway through on this barrel. I figure I roughly got about 30 gallons in the other side, 25 to 30. Should get that much hopefully in this side as well. So it's a fair amount of weight. It's like, I don't know, do the math. Whatever it is, 8 pounds a gallon or something like that, times 30 per side. So about 240, 250 pounds per tire. So that should add a lot of weight to the rear end of this tractor. So we'll get this finished up, and then we'll do some more shots, maybe outside. I think it'll look pretty nice out there. It's a nice day, so. All right, guys, we got the calcium in the tires, got the tractor outside here. It's a nice day, so thought it might pop a little more in the sun. So I'll take a look at it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.